Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnan from Mogambiga Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 10th September 2025, Avani Masam, 25th, Wednesday. Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsha Ridau, Avani Masam, that is Chingya Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 6:48 p.m., Tritiya, then Chaturthi. Saumya Vasaram, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to 4:42 p.m., Revadi, then Ashwadi. Today's Rahukalam 12 to 1:30 p.m., Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m., then Gulyagalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 9 to 10 a.m., then 2 to 3 p.m. Sunrise 6 a.m. Chandrashtam for Simharashi. Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Shraddha Tithi Tritiya.